Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus, and in this video, we're going to talk about projects and scenes on a StudioLive Series III mixer. Now, a project saves the entire mixer's global configuration, including user settings, display layouts, network settings, and flex mix setups, while scenes are saved within a project, and they store channel-specific details like fat channel settings, fader levels, mute states, routing, and effects. Now, each venue or show configuration would be its own project, with scenes being snapshots of the mixer. And now that we know what they are, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a project, add scenes, and save all of it using a console work surface. Let's begin. Here we see my console. I'll hit the Scenes button just above my Transport section, and that opens up a dialog on the touchscreen. For this demonstration, I already have a project created, so let's add another one. I'll select a project bank, hit Store, give it a name, and hit Enter. Now I can start saving scenes using the same process on that side of the touchscreen, and I'll create 2. To recall the first scene, I select it, hit Recall, and it loads. I can do this for any scene in a lineup, regardless of their place on the list. To delete a scene, I'll hit the X next to its name and confirm. The same goes for recalling a project, but because recalling a project can write over my mixer's configuration, I have to confirm. I can also delete a project in the same way I deleted the scene. Creating and storing projects and scenes is just that easy, and using them in tandem allows you to recall entire setups or just specific channel parameters. And we hope this sheds some light on the subject because we want to give you every opportunity to succeed in your live shows and recordings. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.